Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will be discussing about two stocks in which I have taken position this week. So let's get started. So the two stock name are JM Financial and TTML Limited. So let's discuss JM Financial first. So according to our strategy, we will be entering in a stock when the stock is trading in its 52-week high range. So these are all 5 entry criterias. First is stock should be trading in 52-week high range. So we can see stock is trading in 52-week high range, that means plus minus 20%. Then it should have shown recently high delivery volume. So here you can see on these 2 days, 26th of August and on 30th August also, we can see huge volume here. And if you want to see specific delivery volume, then you can use StockEdge for this. So I have just opened, and here you can see use delivery volume. So second criteria is also met. Then the third criteria is CPR should be changed to uptrending. So here you can see earlier CPR was in the downtrend, then it was in the consolidation range, and now in August month it has changed to uptrending. Fourth criteria is we have to buy the stock when it is bouncing back from the CPR level. So here you can clearly see the stock went up, then it came down, and then on this day 26th of August it has bounced back from the CPR level. So ideally we should take entry on the second day, that means on 27th of August. And the last criteria is stock should be trading above 200 days exponential moving average. So this white line you can see here is 200 days EMA. So stock is trading above 200-day EMA. So all the 5 criteria are met. So that's why I have taken position in this stock, and I have entered in this stock on 27th or 29th of August. And what will be our stop loss? Stop loss will be S1 level, which is coming around 9.25%, and target will be twice of that, that means around 18 to 19%. So that's about JM Financial. Then the next stock in which I have taken position is TTML Limited. So here also you can see, first of all, stock is trading in the 52-week high range, that means plus minus 20%. Then recently we can see high delivery volume, you can see here. And if you want to confirm, you can just watch this in StockEdge also. So here also you can see on 27th of August, and if you check the last month delivery data also, here also you can see huge delivery. Then the next criteria is CPR should be changed to uptrend. So previously CPR was in the downtrend, and now in the August month you can see CPR has changed to uptrending. And then we have to buy when the stock is bouncing from the CPR level. So you can see stock went up, then it came down, and then it is trying to bounce back from the CPR level. Ideally we can buy after this candle or after this candle also. So this is clear bounce back from the CPR level. So I have taken position on this day, 29th of August, and our ideal stop loss should be below S1 level. So this is coming around 22%, but I generally don't take this much of stop loss. So if you see here, our ideal stop loss should be 12 to 13%. So that's why I'm keeping my stop loss on the 200 days EMA. So this is coming around 12.4%, and our target will be around 24-25%. So yeah, that's it for the video. And guys, this is not a buy or sell recommendation video. This video is just for learning purpose. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.